While we're here, if you haven't watched Stranger Things, you should go watch it. The last season, the last season was really crazy. Anyway, I'm starting on my next project, which is to make a dress version of that shirt version. So of course now I lay my stuff on the mannequin, even though once it gets to sewing it, it doesn't really matter because I am smaller than the mannequin, and it's mainly in the waist. Like if I could, I definitely have to get another mannequin. Broke people problems. Yeah. So yeah, I just laid all those on her. Once that was done, I had to figure out how I was going to cut it. So I ended up just folding it in half and, make sure everything was lined up as much as possible. I try not to be 100% neat, but I do my best. And then I just cut the top off so that way it can be sewn as a skirt. Brought myself back there the next day to sew the dress together and put it on. So cute. As a regular skirt, that would actually be really nice. Like a regular skirt with a crop top, a crop top type situation. I think that is. Oh, that might be where I'm going to go with that next. That would be cute. Like maybe I'll cut the top off. I did make a top, but that would be a cute crop skirt. Not crop skirt, you know what I mean? A crop top and a skirt. From here, I was trying to place how I was going to do my top. One, because I'm lazy. And two, because, yeah, I feel like there's a limit on what I can actually make because I can envision it, but to do the work to get it done is a whole different thing. I usually, once I get one part done, and it starts looking okay, it's like, I'm ready for this to be over. But I'm going to move past that, and I eventually come up with this. And it really was starting to look real rough in the beginning. But eventually I got it together. I just needed a moment to get my life together. But again, like I said, I feel like there's some things that I'm unable to do because I envision them so well, but I don't have the energy and mentally the time in my mind to get it done. But I mean, I got it done. Yeah, I was trying to find a way to do the top without having to do those points that you have to do for the tops of stuff, but it was unavoidable. But yeah, when I got to this point, I was like, "What is this?" But yeah, yeah, you just gotta see the end result. I just tried it on over my pajama pants, so yeah, it turned out cute. I think it turned out really cute. It had to be steamed because, of course, I was actually wearing it somewhere. I was going to a wedding shower. And yeah, steamed it up really good. Made me a nice little bow thing on top of my head. That's the wig I put together for the Get Your Hair Done Girl Challenge. I was working through lipstick, but definitely didn't wear that. And this is the dress. They're now cute. I put both here in a nice little band. Of course, you can see me through here because it's white. And I could have doubled it, but it's hot. Oh, see, with my little bow. Turn this down a little bit. It turned out cute. The back is a little ghetto because I'm not good at sewing. I try my best, but this is what happens when you try something. I'm not gonna say try your hardest because okay. Yay! Almost done. And after that, we headed to the wedding shower, had a good time, and that's all. Stay tuned for more. Oh my god, I've been playing Space Channel 5 too much. I said stay tuned. Anyway, I'm just going to run with it. Stay tuned for more DIY outfit projects. Oh lord.